Hi friends, I'm Dr. Mohammed. Thanks for watching. Now let's talk about Provate G Ointment uses, side effects and price in Pakistan. Provate G Ointment is a prescription medicine containing a combination of antibiotics and corticosteroids. It is used for the treatment of inflammatory skin conditions and bacterial infections. Provate G is applied topically to the bumps, cracks and rough skin patches. Betamethasone is a corticosteroid that curbs inflammation and itching. It works by activating proteins to halt the release of arachidonic acid, a trigger for inflammatory responses. Gentamicin, an aminoglycoside antibiotic, combats a broad range of bacteria. It disrupts the bacteria's protein creation by binding to their ribosomal subunits, essential parts of the protein-making process, damaging the bacterial cell and leading to their demise. Provate G cream 15 gram price in Pakistan ranges between 110 and 120 rupees per pack. The exact price can vary depending on the manufacturer. Provate G ointment is used for various inflammatory and bacterial infections, skin conditions. Some other uses of the ointment include insect bites and stings. Provate G can soothe skin following insect bites or stings. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and redness, while the antibiotic effect can prevent secondary bacterial infections. It is also used for pruritus. Intense itching or pruritus is treated by Provate caused by dry skin, eczema, or allergies. It works by reducing the inflammatory response, which further helps to alleviate the itching sensation. It is also used to treat Lichen Planus. This inflammatory condition can cause swelling and irritation in the skin, hair, nails, and mucous membranes. The anti-inflammatory property of Provate G can help manage the symptoms of Lichen Planus. It is used to treat seborrheic dermatitis. This is a common condition of the skin that mainly affects the scalp, causing scaly patches, red skin, and stubborn dandruff. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of Provate G ointment can help manage seborrheic dermatitis. It is also used in intertrigo. Provate G ointment can reduce inflammation and treat any underlying bacterial infections. It is an inflammatory rash that occurs within the body folds. The moisture and friction in these areas can encourage bacterial growth, which is prevented by gentamicin content of the ointment. It is also used to treat eczema. This cream is also used to reduce the swelling, redness, and inflammation caused by eczema. So how to use Provate G? These are the instructions. Clean the site of the infection properly and make sure it is dry. Wash your hand properly before applying the cream. Take the prescribed quantity of the cream and apply it gently at the injection site. Rub it smoothly until the cream gets completely dissolved in the skin. Avoid covering the area after applying Provate G. There are some side effects of Provate G cream, which include itching, dryness, unwanted hair growth, irritation, burning, signs of Cushing's disease, high blood sugar levels, changes in skin color, blood in urine, altered stool coloration, etc. If you experience any serious side effects of Provate G ointment, please consult with your doctor. It is recommended to avoid using steroid-containing Provate during pregnancy or lactation. The cream can affect fetal growth or impart harmful effects to the mother. Therefore, it is recommended not to use the cream during pregnancy or lactation without consulting a doctor. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.